So that's number one. And number two, business owners always ask me, what's the right amount for me to spend to start to spend on marketing? And I say it depends, right? Number one, you need to have a budget, add budget monthly, what you can spend every month that won't hurt your business or won't put you into bankruptcy. So you have to become the amount you're going to spend is just relative to where you are in your business. What's the exact amount are you comfortable spending every month that won't hurt your business? And number two, you need to be aware of how much does it cost you to get a customer. That's very, very important. Your CAC, your cost, the cost to acquire customer. What's your CAC? You need to know your numbers. And let's say, and another thing which I've seen which can make a lot of sense is, what's your average order value? If your average order value, let's say you're a business owner in Kenya,